Hey, Mark Rice here. Do you know that from one flat design portrait, you can create thousands of different portraits? And if you want to be master of the flat design and download over 500 illustrations, check out gigant.store. Okay, so in this video we will create an experiment. First I will create one portrait, one character, and create a few characters from that portrait. It will be fun, and it will be a shortcut if you want to create a lot of different characters. Okay, so let's start. First I will pick up the skin color and create the rectangle. Okay, beautiful. Here I will make these corners round, and maybe I can change the position a bit. Something like this. Okay, then here I will draw one more rectangle. It will be blue and it will be the lower part of the head. Okay, and I need one more rectangle for it. Something like this. It will be darker. I will copy it, change the size, and this part I will use for the shadow. So because of that I will use even darker color for it. Select these corners and make these corners rounded, something like this. Okay, maybe I can increase the size a bit. I need to create a space for the shadow. Okay, I like it. Then I will create a nose. It will be big nose, something like this. Okay, beautiful. As you can see, this is the character of the face. If you have this long face, long head, the nose needs to be long. So here I'll create one more rectangle. It will be darker a bit. Okay, send to back. Beautiful. Now I will draw the eyes. Very simple, just the black shape or the rounded rectangle. Okay, copy it and move it here. Now I can group the shapes and find the central position for the shapes. Okay, beautiful. Now the first part of the hair. So something like this. It will be orange. Okay, select the lower corners and that's it. Okay, here I can change the position for the eyes. I will copy the shape, move it here and change the size. Okay, beautiful, I like it. Here I can draw one more part for the hair and it will be darker a bit because it will be in the background, so send to back. Okay, here one more. Okay, I like it. Let me check. And I will use these shapes for the right side of the face, so hold Alt, move it here and reflect it. Okay, now ears. As you can see, I'm planning just with the basic shapes. If you want to boost your character even more, try something with shadows. Okay, now the mouth. Something like this. Okay, here I will create one more rectangle for the teeth. It will be white and this corner will be rounded here. Okay, and here I need one more red part. Okay, select all the shapes and use the white in the pathfinder. Ungroup the shapes and delete unnecessary parts. Okay, just a moment. Cool. Here I will draw one more shape for the neck and it will be darker a bit and in the background. Something like this. And I will need t-shirts as well. Okay, so I just created the first portrait. I will copy it now 2 times, so hold Alt, move it here, and repeat this action with Ctrl+D. And now I have the opportunity to create even more portraits, so now I want to play. So first I can change the color for the head, and it will be green, for example. Okay, beautiful. Then I can delete the nose and this part of the hair. Okay, And now I will change the size for the ears, move it here, and use black color for the hair. Something like this. Maybe I can delete this part and copy the second part of the hair. No. Move it here. Okay, let me check. So first I will delete the second part and I will change this part. So select these points here and change this. Okay, maybe I can change. Let me check now. Not bad. I think that it's okay. I will change the size for the mouth as well. Move it here. Okay, beautiful. I will change the size for the ears as well. Move it here. For the neck, something like this. And I will change the size of the shape. So let me check what will we got. Okay, not bad. Little kid. And I will change this part as well. Okay, so this is the green color and I will use red color for the t-shirt. And as you can see, I created one more character with the same shape as I used it for the first character. And that's it. So now we will see what we can do with the third character. Okay, with this one, first I will ungroup the shapes and delete these parts. Okay, maybe we can increase the size of the head. Okay, bring to front and use different color. For example, it can be black. The shadow will be darker. I can delete this part. Okay, change the size. The nose can be red or something like that. Okay, not bad. I will delete this part of the hair, this part. I will use yellow color, for example. Okay, move it here. I like it. So I can change these corners here like this. Delete the mouth. And this is the rule for the challenge. I don't want to create new shapes. I want to create the same shapes as I used for the first character. So for the mouth, I can use the ears. Let me show you. I will copy it, change the size, bring to front, and maybe I can change the colors. And that's it. As you can see, I have this beautiful character. And beautiful, I don't know, maybe isn't beautiful, but it's different for sure. Okay. I will isolate this part and change the size. Okay, move it here. And basically that's it. So tell me in the comment what you think about this challenge, and if you want to create your challenge as well, something like this, share that in the gigantic community. Okay, and if you want to go a few steps further and learn even more, or just hang out with me on a daily basis, become part of this incredible list here. You will be able to watch my exclusive video tutorials and become part of the private community. This will be game changer for you if you are serious about your creative future. So take action right now and do something good for you and your family. And remember, stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace.